If you're curious how these no-drill bamboo blinds actually stay in place, let me show you the installation system a little closer. So the mechanism is surprisingly simple. On each side, there's an adjustable tension mount. You just unscrew the bolt, you extend it to fit the width of your window frame, and then tighten it into place. And once it's adjusted correctly, the blinds sit securely inside the window opening without needing a single screw or bracket. I like the design of the ends. So they have rubber pads that press gently against the window frame. The rubber helps create this strong grip, protecting the surface, so you're not drilling holes or causing any damage to the trim. It's really a great option for any renters or just for any temporary spaces when you don't want to make any permanent changes to the windows. And despite being a no-drill design, these feel very secure. Once installed, they don't feel loose or wobbly. They stay firmly in place. Now let's talk about the bamboo itself. So the texture is one of my favorite parts. Up close, you can really see the natural variation in the bamboo strips. It definitely gives the shades a warm, organic look. This particular shade is the brown color, which works really well with the wood tones in our cabin, but they also offer lighter shades if you're going for a brighter or more neutral look.